It's gym time again. Let's go. Again. I really don't want to go, but no quitting. No quitting. No stopping. We've got to keep going. Because if I quit now, I'll never go again. Because I won't be bothered. It's fine. I'm only doing cardio today anyway, so I need different cardio exercises. That's what I need in my life. So I don't actually know what to do. Right. I need my purse. And I'll take a mask just in case. I need my keys. Earphones. Water. I need to refill my water. Ooh. Bath time now. I was gonna have just like a quick shower, but hang on. I want to relax today. That was so loud, sorry. I had a really short session again in the gym today. I feel like Mondays are just gonna be a more relaxed gym session because it is just cardio I'm doing. For the meantime though, like when I go to the gym a lot more, I want to do a lot more workouts for cardio. But yeah, I did the highest incline I could do, so 15% incline on the treadmill. I was only in the gym for like 20 minutes, but I can justify it. I didn't want to go in the first place, so I'm just still proud of myself for going. Yeah, bath time. It's not gonna look like that, let's be real.
So then, why?
I'm out of the shower / bath now. It's not hair washing day, that'll be tomorrow, so I left that alone. I was reading this book in the bath earlier, 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think. I've wanted this book for so long now. I see it everywhere at the moment and I just wanted to know what it was all about. It's a bigger book than I thought. Because I'm reading Good Vibes, Good Life at the moment, this will be my first big book to start off my reading journey. I'm really excited to get through it. I only read a little bit of it at the start of it, but I think this is going to help me a lot. I don't really like what is it, fictional books, like characters and stuff. I think that's what it is. I'm more into like self-help books and mindset books like this, and the Good Vibes, Good Life book. If you don't know what I'm talking about this book here from Vex King. But yeah, I got this very recently off Amazon, and then guys, I'm gonna have to show you because I'm really excited about it. I had so much drama with a seller on Amazon. So it wasn't Amazon, it was a seller that was just selling things on Amazon. We went back and forth for months. Okay, I brought a picnic basket for way more than you should buy a picnic basket for. It took over a month to get to me, and then I got it and it wasn't even the same picnic basket that I ordered and it was definitely worse quality than what I ordered as well, and I was like, really? Like, what is this? And half of the things that I expected with the picnic basket I wanted, this picnic basket didn't even have. So I was gutted, and then like, I had to call up Amazon and it took forever. Hello, I'm editing right now and I just want to add in here, we went back and forth for months. I didn't go straight to Amazon just to complain. I was messaging her, back and forth, trying to reason with them and get my money back and send their picnic basket back, but they were not having it. They were like, no, how dare you, like, this is better quality than what you ordered, admitting that they sent me the wrong thing, and then proceeded to say how they would lose money if I sent it back. And then I put a return in anyway, but it would be like £40 to send it back to them, and I don't think that's very fair, as it wasn't my mistake for me to have to pay that return fee. So I tried to get them to pay it for me because it was their mistake, their responsibility, and they completely ignored me, and that's when I went to Amazon. Why are people like this? But then I've got my money back now, so I've brought a new picnic basket. Look how cute! I don't know why, but I've just really wanted a picnic basket for so long now. I don't know what it is. This spring and summer, I just want to be out all the time, having picnics in a field somewhere with a really cute dress on, eating loads of yummy food. That is the vibe for this year. Okay guys, you heard it here first. Let me show you this picnic basket because I'm really happy about it. It's actually what I asked for as well. It's got like brown straps and everything. And ta-da! So this is what it looks like when you first open it. It's got spoons, forks and knives. This is for 4 people for the picnic. So there's 4 of everything. And then here it's got like a corkscrew thing. No, I don't think that's what it's called. Is it? I think it is. You know when you get wine, it's got the little wooden thing in and you pop it out. That helps to get it out, and it's got a salt and pepper shaker as well. And then in here, this is what I wanted the most that the other one didn't have, but I asked for. It's just like a cooler bag built into it. And I love how it's like the picnic blanket vibe. Oh! So it's like this inside, so it's going to keep everything really nice and cold for you. And then you've got little napkins. And then inside you've got 4 of these little wine glasses things. I'm kind of sad that they're plastic, but at the same time I don't mind too much because they are reusable, you know, and I will get you loads of use out of this, so I don't mind. And these are little plates as well. Oh, they're so cute. This is what I'm on about. So you can open your bowl with it, and then that's like the corkscrew thingamabob. And what's this? Oh, got a little knife as well. so happy. I'm so excited to have a picnic. Oh my god. Now I need to make health shots again and some smoothies, like meal prep kind of vibe. I'm going to make them in advance so I can have them every morning because I haven't been having them recently and I feel like they're very good for me, so I should have them. nice and clean in here now. You alright, pup? You okay? I don't know. She just follows me around and stares at me all the time. Anyway, I'm absolutely starving now. I don't even know what I'm going to eat, but I'll find something. She's doing it again. Ah, that's so funny. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to see more of me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.